tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can set any music file or any music track as your ringtone for your Android phone. Some phones do not natively support this functionality and you have to use a third-party application or a workaround to use this. I'll demonstrate this to you on a Motorola phone here, and here we have a Xiaomi phone which has a workaround which is implemented into the software. So I'll start with the Motorola phone. You have to download an app which is known as ES File Explorer, which is a free application available on the Play Store. You will easily find it. Just download and open this application and locate the track that you want to set as ringtone. By default, if you are downloading it from internet, it will be in the downloads folder and you can access the folder using this navigation. Here just hit on the music track which you want to set as ringtone and you can choose to play it with ES Media Player. Once you do that, the ringtone or the music starts playing, but it is not yet set as your ringtone. Hit on this menu button on top right, which are these three dots. Just hit here and you will get an option which says set ringtone. As soon as I hit that, it will give me options to set ringtone, notification or alarm tone. I'll hit set ringtone to confirm and it has been set as my phone's ringtone. If you want to do the same thing on a Xiaomi phone, you just need to go to settings and from there you need to go to sound settings. In sound settings you would find ringtones and here you have an option of selecting ringtone from local media. For that you need to hit on this button which says browse, and from here you can go to the music player which has already scanned all your music, and from here you can select the file that you want to set as your ringtone. You select a song and hit OK and you are good to go. This is how simple it is to set it on a Xiaomi phone. This is MIUI version 7 and this menu interface will vary from phone to phone. In case you don't find these menu options on your Xiaomi phone, you can do it the exact same way that we did it on this Motorola phone using the ES File Explorer, which provides you that option in the ES Music Player to set any tone as your ringtone, be it an MP3 or WAV file. You can set it as your ringtone on your Android phone. This is all we have on a quick tutorial. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you found this useful, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and other social networks. Hit that share button below and that like button below for more such videos.